So hello friends, welcome back to your own channel Students Corner. So friends, today we will study chapter 6 of quadratic equation. Here we are solving word problems based on quadratic equations. You have to read the word problems and then you have to translate it into the equation, and then after translating it into equation your 70% work will be done, and then just you have to solve the equation. That is the rest 30% job. So friends, here we have to keep certain things in mind while getting a final answer at the end. That is the main procedure. If both the roots we get are negative and positive, if one is negative and one is positive, if both are negative, then you may have to check the procedure you have solved, or question will be wrong, but that question will not be given when both the roots are negative. But if one is positive and one is negative, you must ignore the negative and solve it further with taking the positive answer. But if both are positive, if both the roots are positive, you may get certain things at certain points. Then step 1 you have to do is answer must be checked using both the roots. Means the value you are taken as x is positive, then you must apply it in the question at the beginning, which you have taken as x, which you have let that thing, and then after that you have to use the logic that if both are positive and both are fitting in the question, then you have to use the logic to get a final answer. And then write both as answers. If both are suiting in the question, then very rare case, then you have to write both as your answers.
Hence, now in this exercise 6a, we are going to solve some problems based on number questions. Before coming to exercise 6a, you must solve examples 3 and 4, because examples are there to make your understanding a bit more better. So before coming to this exercise, you must solve the examples before each exercise, and for this exercise I recommend 3 and 4 must to be solved by you. One part D. 1A, B and C are homework. I am solving B and E. So here in this question 1D, it is said that the reciprocal of a number and the number, on adding both you will get 5.2. X and reciprocal, that is 1 by x, on solving it we will get 5.2. So take LCM here, you will get x square plus 1 is equals to 5.2. This by 10, so we have x square plus 1 divided by x is equals to 52 by 10, that will be 26 by 5. Now cross multiply, you will get 5x square plus 5 is equals to 26x. Now 5x square minus 26x plus 5 is equals to 0. Now midterm split, you will get minus 25 plus x minus x plus 5 is equals to 0. We have 5x, x minus 5 minus 1, x minus 5 is equals to 0. So the two terms, the two roots we get as x minus 5 and 5x minus 1 equals to 0. Two roots we get are positive 5 and positive 1 by 5. You can go with option number 1 for your answer, either 5 or 1 by 5. You have to see that and is not written between 5 and 1 by 5, because one root is only applicable at a time. So either 5 or 1 by 5, not and, because both roots cannot be used at one time. Question number 1 part E. It is said that the sum of squares of two numbers is 52, and the two numbers are after interval of 2. Means the difference of two numbers should be 2, and the square and the addition of the square of the two numbers should be 52. So let's solve it. It is said that according to question that x square plus x plus 2 square whole square is equals to 52. The square of both the terms and adding on that will get 52. It is written in the question. So x square plus x square plus 4 plus 4x is equals to 52. We have used the identity a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here it will get 2x square plus 4 plus 4x equals 52. So this will become 48 here, goes to 0 here, 4x plus 2 is common, so divide by 2, you will get this. Now taking the midterm split, you will get 6x plus 4, sorry, minus 4x plus 24 is equals to 0. So x plus 6 minus 4x plus 6 equals to 0. We have x plus 6 and x minus 4. So the final answer will be x equals 2 plus 4. That is this. This will be minus. So that can also be the answer. Because in number questions, there is no need to justify between positive and negative. Whatever comes, you have to accept it. So here both comes. So solve by applying, putting the value of x as both, like I have said it in before. So if you put minus 6, you get minus 6 and minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4. And if you put 4 here, you will get 4 and 6. So these 4 are the roots, and this is option number 4. So this is the answer. Friends, one part F is also homework. Now friends, in solving question number 2, it is said in the question that there are two numbers which differ by 5. So one is x and another will be 5 minus x. It can also be x plus 5 or 5 plus x. So in the question it is said that the square of both the terms is 96. So let's solve it. Sorry, is 97. So let's solve it. So x square plus this, that will be 5 minus x whole square equals to 97. So x square plus 25 plus x square minus 10x is equals to 97. So this will be 2x square minus 10 and 97. So it will be, for 97 and 25. On subtracting, you will get minus 72. But before that, the x variable minus 10x minus 72 is equals to 0. And now do the midterm split, you will get 2. But before divide by 2, so that calculation becomes so easier. Now do the midterm split, you will get 9x plus 4x minus 6 is equals to 0. So x minus 9 plus 4 x minus 9 is equals to 0. Now you have x minus 9 and x plus 4 as the two roots or factors. You have x is equals to positive 9 and x minus 4 as your answers. But here you have to take it positive only. Since a number question, you have to take the positive because it is not independent, because the value is not only asked, you have to put it somewhere, so you have to take the positive. So positive, you have 9 5, so x is 9 minus 5, that is 4. So your answers are 9 and 4 as the final answers. 3 to 8 are homework, but the answer will be in the description box, and for asking question you may get to our Telegram channel link, will be in the description box soon. In question number 9, here many students may do mistake, they take x plus 1 and x plus 2, but you have to take one number before also, the main number. The main number is x, one number before is x minus 1 and one number after is x plus 1. So now here it is said in a question that the square of middle term exceeds the square of these two terms, means first and third term, by 60. It means that x square, means square of middle term, exceeds the square of these two terms, addition of these two terms, by 60. So the difference is 16. So friends, here will be the difference. The difference of these two terms. Here friends, you may do a mistake. The signs of this will not be like this, because you're forgetting that small is subtracted from bigger. The small is this and bigger is this. So it will be in this order. Now solving it further, x square minus x square plus 1 minus 2x minus x square minus plus 1 minus 2x equals to 60. Now x square minus x square plus 1 minus 2x minus x square minus 1 plus 2x equals to 60. Cancel, 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 cancel. So friends, this will be plus 2, because this is positive. So here x square minus is positive 2x plus positive 2x, so it will be positive 4x, and after coming outside the bracket it will be minus positive 4x equals to 60. So minus 4x minus x square, sorry, x square minus 4x minus 60 equals to 0. On in the midterm split you will get minus 10x plus 6x minus 60 is equals to 0. X square x minus 10 plus 6 x minus 10 is equals to 0. X plus 6 and x minus 10 are equal factors. So here x is goes to positive 10, so this will be the answer. Put it here, you will get 9, 10 and 11, because x is this, minus 1 is 9 and plus 1 is 11. So these are the answers finally. And friends, number 10 to 12 are homework. I will solve next number 13. Positive numbers divided into two parts, a greater and a smaller part, means one is bigger and one is smaller. So it is certain question, and we have let the smaller part as x, and it says that the larger number's square is the 8 times the smaller. So we have done it here, larger square is equal to 8 times the smaller. If we put larger on one side, so it will get under root 8x. And it also said question that the square of both terms, on adding it, the square of both terms, small and larger, will get 20. So now let's solve this. Square plus here square and square root will get cancelled, so it will be 8x equals to 20. So x square plus 8x minus 20, 20 sent to this side. Now taking the LCM as 10x minus 2x minus 20 is equals to 0. Here x plus 10 minus 2 x plus 10 equals to 0. Now x plus 10 and x minus 2 equals to 0. So here you will get answer as x equals to positive 2. Here x is equal and minus 10. So minus 10 you have to ignore and positive 2 you have to take. So smaller number is positive 2 and greater number is under root 2 into 8, that is 16, so it will be 4. So the larger number is 4 and small number is 2. One is smaller and one is greater. And ultimately the bigger positive number which is splitted is 6, and these are 2 and 4. You don't have to find this number, but I have told it for your sake. Now we proceed on solving exercise 6b. In this exercise you have to solve problems based on geometrical figures. And you must solve examples before this, that is 7-6, for better understanding and concepts. So let's solve A and B, and one part C, D and E are homework. But if any student have any difficulty, he or she may go to the for the PDF of the notes of it. During this question, one part A, if the perimeter is given as 28 and the formula is 2 into length plus breadth. So on solving this, you will get 14 is equals to length plus breadth, goes to Z with here, and L is equals to 14 minus B. And area formula is length into breadth. So length is 14 minus B into B is equals to 40. Now start solving. 14B minus B square is equals to 40. So this here, so in the positive, we have B square minus 14B plus 60, sorry, 40 goes to 0. Now do the midterm split. B square minus 10B minus 4B plus 40 is equals to 0. Here B square, here B minus 10 minus 4, B minus 10 is equals to 0. Here B minus 10 and B minus 4 are the two factors, goes to 0. So here B is equals to 10 also and positive 4 also. And so you go with option number part 2. Here you have to use a concept of class 9, that is Pythagoras theorem, because here you can see that is perpendicular triangle. So you say write using Pythagoras theorem. So it will be h square is equals to b square plus a square. Simultaneous, that is 10 square goes to b square, that is x square plus b square, that is x plus 2 whole square. It will be 100 minus, sorry, goes to x square plus x square plus 4 plus 4x. So now this will be x square, 2x, so 2x square plus 4x goes to here, so 3 minus 26 is equals to 0. Now divide by 2, it will be x square plus 2x minus 48 is equal to dividing by 2 is 2 is common to all. Now doing x square plus 8x minus 6x minus 48 is equal to 0. So now x out x minus plus 8 minus 6 x plus 8 is equal to 0. X plus 8 and x minus 6 are the two factors, which is 0. So this will be minus 8 and this will be plus 6. So this is the answer. Here it will be 6, it will be 8 because the x plus 2 is 8. So 8 square, that is 64, and 36, that is 6 square, is equals to 10 square, that is 100. To 7 are homework. I will solve number 8. So in this question, this is the diagram. This is the gravel path. And it is having certain bits which you have to find in this question at last. This width, it is uniform from all sides, and including the gravel path, the length of the field is 50 and breadth is 40. So length 50, breadth 40, area 2000 meters square. So we have to find the width of this gravel path. So we can't find exactly. So let the length of our bed is equals to x and breadth is equals to y. So x, the length is 50 minus 2w, because w is here, w is here. So 50 minus 2w. Similarly 40 minus 2w. And the area will be xy meter square. And the area of gravel path, area of gravel path, we have to subtract the area of total field write it like this: area of field minus area of flower bed. So field is 2000 meter square and out of flower bed is xy meter square. How to find the cost of laying? You have to multiply the rate into the magnitude. And it goes flower bed plus gravel. Area into rate. So now the total cost of laying flower bed and gravel is given question as 5200. Cost of laying flower bed is 30 into xy, that is flower bed's magnitude, area, and 30 is the rate. This plus this, that is the, it is 20 into the area is this. So 2000 minus xy. This you may not understand clearly at one time, this part basically. So watch it twice or thrice, and even then you can understand, then comment me in the telegram section. I will make it to you clearly at your personal call. You will get 52000 equals to 30xy plus 20 into 2000, that is 40,000 minus 20xy. So this will go here and we will remain with 20,000 is equals to, and this will remain with 10xy. So finally xy is equals to 1200. Go ahead, we will divide, so it will be 1200. Let's by the value of x and y, put it here. So 50 minus 2w into 40 minus 2w. So it is equals to 1200 plus 4w equals to 1200. So subtract this to this, square by w square. So it will be 4w square plus 180. W is equals to minus 800. It will come and become positive. 4w square plus 180 w plus 800 equals to 0. So divided by 2 because, so by 4 because 4 is common to all. So it will be w square plus 45w plus 200 equals to 0. We will get w square plus 5w minus 40w plus 200 equals to 0. So now w will be outside. You will get w plus 5 minus 40w plus 5 is equals to 0. So the two terms are w plus 5 and w minus 40. So the ultimate answer will go with w equals to positive 40. So friends, there are two positive values 40 and 5. So you have to apply your logic as I've said before. Put 40 into here. That is 50 minus 2 into w, that's 2 into 40, that is 80. So 50 minus 18 is minus 30, which is not possible. So this is not a part of this answer. Get eliminated. Use 5. 50 minus 2 into w, that is 10. It will be 40, can be a number. So in y, 40 minus 2w. So 40 minus 2w is 10, it will be 30. It can also be, and 2w is 50 minus 2w means 2w is 10 and 1w is 5. So 5 is the answer. Question number 9 to 11 are homework, but the answer is in the description box. Now we will solve number 12. So now here in the question is said that a field is this of area 300 meters square, and it is said that on changing the length and breadth, the area remains same. We still think it will remain same only. And it is said that the length is decreased and the breadth is increased. So length is decreased and breadth is increased. Now the product of length and breadth is equals to the area, which is 300. Means the area doesn't change. The length and the breadth finally. So it is decreased by 5 and increased by 5. So let's find out. So area is length into breadth 300 is equals to length into breadth. The friends will say that length is decreased by 5 and breadth is increased by 5. It will remain same. That is the 300. So length is equals to L minus 5 and breadth is B plus 5. Here 300 is equals to length into breadth, that is area. So L can also be written as 300 by B. So it will be equation 1. So you have put equation 1, you will get 300 by B minus 5 into B plus 5, that is equals to 300. So now multiply, opening up the brackets, we have 300 B by B, as 300 with 5, we have 1500 by B. Now minus 5 into B, that is minus 5 B, then minus 25 is equals to 300. This will get cancelled and this will get cancelled because these are both are positive on the opposite side of equal to. So if this comes here, it will become negative and plus 300 and minus 300 will get cancelled. Or this will remain here and this 300 get this side, it will be negative, so it will be 0 only. So we are left with 1500 by B minus 5B minus 25 is equals to 0. Send this to this side, it will become positive. So we have 1500 by B minus 5B equals to 25 positive. Take LCM, we will get B and B square. Then this with this, we will get 1500 minus 5B square equals to 25B. I'm solving it here and we have to make it positive. So either multiply by minus 1 or send this to this side. So I'm sending it to other side. You will get 5B square plus 25B minus 1500 divided by 5 because I have common to all the terms, all the variables. So it will be B square plus 5B minus 300 is equals to 0. Now do the midterm state, you will get plus 20B minus 15 minus 300 is equals to 0. It will be minus 20 plus 15. Grouping it, you will get B minus 20 and B minus 20 equals to 0. Then the two terms are B plus 15 and B minus 20 equals to 0. So the two factors are, the two terms are plus 20 and minus 15. So we will go with plus 20 as your final. We will solve problems based on speed, distance and time.
Exercise 6C. But before solving this, you must solve examples 8 and 9 and then come to this exercise. So now we are given two speeds. Speed or velocity of boat is 32 km per hour and speed of stream means the river or flowing water
is 8 km per hour. What's the speed of boat upstream? Means against the flow of river. Suppose that the river is flowing this way and the boat is moving this way. And the boat is moving this way. So speed of boat is 32 and the speed of stream is 8. So finding the net speed of the boat, you have to subtract 8 from 32. It's a common thing. So the answer will be 24 kilometer per hour. You can write like 32 minus 8 kilometer per hour velocity or speed. Friends, part B and D of one hour homework. Now we will solve one part C. In this question, we are given with total numbers of students in a class of 40, and girls are given, so we are letting it as X, and boys automatically. If girls are X, then boys will be 40 minus X. Now, without applying your dirty mind, don't think that transgenders are also in the class. Only boys and girls, not transgenders. So 40 minus X will be boys and girls, not others. So boys are 40 minus X and girls are X. Girls are always X. Equals to 375. So X into this will be 40X minus X square is equals to 375. Now send this to this side, you will get minus X square. So without doing this, send this to this side, so it will get positive. We have X square minus 40X minus plus 375 is equals to 0. Now we have to midterm split 40 minus 40X. So it will be 25X and minus 15X plus 375 is equals to 0. Here X minus 25 minus 15, X minus 25 is equals to 0. Here X minus 15 and X minus 25 are the two terms, equals to 0. Now here X is equals to 15 and X is equals to 25. These are your two answers. So you can go with option number 3. That is 15 or 25. Don't you have to use and here, because 2 cannot be factors at a time, either 15 or 25. So option number 4 is your answer. Sorry. So option number 3 is your answer. 1 part E. The speed is given, initial speed is given as 100 km per hour. Increment by X% and then decrement is also by X%. And the final speed is 96 km per hour. So you have to find the value of X. So increment by X% means X by 100 into 100. That is X. So the initial value is 100 plus X. That is incremented. Now a decrement of this value. So X by 100 into 100 plus X as a whole. Now according to question, we said that now the value becomes 96 km per hour. Subtract this from this. So the equation becomes 100 plus X minus X by 100 into 100 plus X equals to 96. 100 plus X minus X square by 100 is equals to 96. Now this will be cancelled, same. Send this to the side, you will get minus X square by 100 is equals to minus 4. Minus cancelled. X square is equals to 400. Now X is equals to plus minus 20. So option answer is 20. Part 2 it is. Number 2 and 3 are homework. I will solve number 4.
So friends, now in question number 4, you are given with velocity, let it be x. New velocity is decreased of the 40, increased of the initial velocity. So x minus 40. Now the distance to be covered is 1200 kilometer, and after changing the speed, that is decreasing the speed by 40, the increased time required is 20 by 60. 20 minutes is given, but to convert into hour, because every speed is in hour, so converted 20 minutes by 60, so it becomes in hour. So the initial time taken was 1200 time distance by speed is x, but after that the new time taken is x minus 40, means decrease speed. So the time taken, this will be more than this. So subtract this from this. This will be greater time than this, and the difference is 20 by 60 hours. So now solve this. Take LCM here. You will get x square minus 40x, and above will be 1200x minus 1200x minus this into this. So minus plus 12 for the 48 000 equals to 20 by 60. This will 0 cancel. 2 1 and 2 3 6. And here this will get cancelled because minus and plus. So now we are left with 48000 divided by x square minus 40x equals to 1 by 3. Now multiply this with this and this with this. So we will get to x square minus 40x is equals to 3 into this. So 8 3 is 24. And 8 is 12 plus 2 14 000 minus 40x minus 14400 is equals to 0. So now we have to do the midterm split of this. So x square minus plus 360x minus 400x minus 14400 equals to 0. So x and x plus 360 here minus 400 x plus 360 is equals to 0. So now we have x plus 360 and x minus 400 as the two factors of the term. So x equals to minus 360, which is not possible, and we have x equals to 400, which is possible. So the answer is this, and you will go with this. Homework: I will solve number 7 and 8, 9, 10 are homework.
The total distance to be traveled by trains are 1040, means the distance is fixed. Velocity 1 is x and velocity 2 is x plus 20. This is of goods train and this is of express train. Express train is faster by 20 km per hour. Means if the speed of goods train is x, we are letting it as x, and the express train speed is 20 km plus the speed of goods train. So x plus 20. So now the time taken by goods train and express train. So by goods train is 1040 by x, and this is 1040 by x plus 20. And the net difference in time. How you can calculate this? See. goods train leaves at 6 p.m. and express train leaves at 8 p.m. Means 2 hours after the goods train, express train leaves. So 2 hour additional means 2 hour it covers with its fastest speed by 20 km per hour. And express train reaches 36 minutes before the goods train. Then additional 36 minutes. So 2 hours means 120 minutes. Then 36. So it will be 156 minutes. So 156 minutes. To convert it into hour divided by 60. So the difference is this. So speed, the time is greater. The greater time is this than this. So subtract 1040 by x minus 1040 by x plus 20 is equals to 156 by 60. We'll get x square plus 20x. Above you have 1040x plus 00802 minus 1040x is equals to 156 by 60. You can divide it by 6. You will get 10 times 26 times. This will get 13. This will get 5. This will get cancelled, plus and minus. Now here you have 20800 divided by x square plus 20x is equals to 13 by 5. Do cross multiplication, you get 5. So into 2000 40 4 and 10 is equals to 13x square plus 26. Send this to this side, you will get 13x square plus 260 x minus 10400. Now do the midterm split of this term. We can see that 13 is common to all three terms, so divide by 13, you will get x square plus 20x minus 800 is equals to 0. So now do the midterm split of this term. This term is smaller, so less effort and less use of brain will be required. So you will get your answer more quickly. X minus 80 x minus 800 is equals to 0. Here x plus 100 minus 80 x plus 100 is equals to 0. Now you have x plus 100 and x minus 80 as the two factors of the term. So your final answer is not minus 1 by 100 but x is equals to 80 is the answer. So the two speeds are of good train is 80 km per hour and express train is 80 plus 20, that is 100 kilometers per hour.
In word problems of quadratic equation, the main so that you can convert what is written in the question in the form of the equation. But before you have to write the given, because given is also important. You get 1 marks free for writing given in mathematics and in physics numerical also. So step 1, follow word to word from book and write the given, and then use the book to write the equation. Once you have formed the equation from the given and from the question given in the book, then your 60 to 70% task is done, and then you just have to solve it. So distance to be covered totally is 12. Half is done with the speed of x and half is done with the speed of x plus 2. The time taken. So friends, in the question you may miss that it is written that the half distance. So half of 12 is 6. So 6 by x and 6 by x plus 2. Half is with the speed of x and half with the speed of x plus 2. And that time taken total is this. So friends, you can see that it is hour and minutes, and these are in kilometer, and kilometer is with hour. So you have to convert this into hour. So this will be totally 150 minutes. To convert it into hour, you have to divide by 60. So now frame the question. The total time taken is this and this is equals to this. So just you have to add both the equations. Take the LCM, we have x square plus 2x, above we have 6x plus 12 plus 6x is equals to 150 divided by 60. Cancelled. 3 5 ja and 3 2 ja. Now here we have 12x plus 12, 6 plus 6 is 12x divided by x square plus 2x is equals to 5 by 2. Now do cross multiplication. 2 into this will be 24x plus 224 is equals to 5x square plus 10x. So now 5x square plus 10x, this will come here, you will get minus 14x minus 24 is equals to 0. So now you have to do the midterm split, and this will be 20x minus 6x minus 24 is equals to 0. So 5 will be outside and x will also be outside. X minus 4 minus 6 x minus plus 6. So this will be plus 6 x minus 4 is equals to 0. So you have x minus 4 and 5x plus 6 as the two terms is equals to 0. Now we have x is equals to 4 and x is equals to minus 6 by 5. So this is fractional also negative, so this will not be the answer. Your ultimate answer is 4. So the speed is x and the speed is x plus 2 means 6.
In this exercise 6D, we will solve some miscellaneous problems. 6D, and before solving this, you must solve examples 11, 12, 13, 14 for a better clearance concept. And in this exercise, A, C, D, and E are homework and solving number B. So in this question, we have said that there are two numbers, means they are two-digit number. Like suppose 42 is a two-digit number, so x is 4 and y is 2. We're just letting it, not exactly 42, the example is 42. So x is at 10th place and y is at 1st place. So this is the case. So x minus y is 2 and xy is 24. So here this consider x minus y is 2. So this can also be written as x is equals to 2 plus y. So let it be equation 1 and this be equation 2. So now put equation 1 in equation 2. So you will get xy is equal to 24. Value of x is 2 plus y into y is equals to 24. Multiply it, you will get 2y plus y square equals 24. So now send this to this side, you will get 2y plus, keep it here, y square plus 2y minus 24 is equals to 0. You will get y square plus 6y plus 4y minus 24, minus 4y minus 24 is equals to 0. So now group it, you will get y plus 6 minus 4 minus 4 plus y plus 6 is equals to 0. So you get two factors, that is y plus 6 and y minus 4. So this will be y is equals to minus 6, y is equals to plus 4. Of y will be 4, not this, because this is negative. Since we got the value of y is 4, so you can find the value of x. So y is 2 plus x is 2 plus y means 6. So x is 6. So the number is 64. So you can go with option number 4. 3 are homework. I will solve number 4. Read very carefully. Read the question and write the given at the same time for better clearance and better results will be accurate. The sun's age, let the sun's age be x. So in the question it is written that the man's age is square of sun's age. So x square. And 1 year ago means 1 year before. So sun's age will be x minus 1 and man's age will be x square minus 1. Simple. 1 year ago means 1 year before. So simply minus by 1. But you can also do like this. First take 1 year ago age, then the present age. Then 1 year ago you take x and x square, and here you take x plus 1 and x square plus 1. Then also the answer will be same if we're taking from 1 year ago to present age. But I'm taking present age to 1 year ago. So do like this. Now in the question it is given that his age was 8 times the age of his son at 1 year ago. So man's age is x minus 1 and son's age is x minus 1. So it is said that 1 year ago the man's age was 8 times that of son's age. So man's age was already 8 times. So to equalize you have to make son's age also 8 times. So multiply 8 here. Now solve 8x minus 8 x square minus 1 minus 8x plus 8 is equals to 0. X square minus 8x plus 7 is equals to 0. Now x square minus 7x minus x plus 7 is equals to 0. X minus 7 and minus 1 x minus 7 is equals to 0. The two factors are x minus 7 and x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now x is equals to 7 and x is equals to 1. You get two numbers and both are positive here. The square of 1 to find the percentage of father. So percentage of father will be 1 only because the age of son is 1 and man's age will also 1 because 1 square is 1. So it will not be correct that father and son age both are same. So it will not be proper result. But if we take x at 7 means age of son at 7, then square of 7 is 49. So this can be a better option. So that's why I've said in first introduction that you have to apply your common sense also. Find the answers if both are positive. 5 is the homework. Number 6. 6 is also a bit different and you will get confused. So read the question and write the given simultaneously. In the question it is written that we have to let the number of oranges be x. Let the number of orange be x. But some of you may not read that the number of oranges which Mr. Mehra receives, not the total which the servant buys. So total oranges, let it be y. So now this can also be written as y minus 3 because 3 oranges are eaten by the servant on his way. So y minus 3 means total is y. 3 are eaten means what is remaining is received by Mr. Mehra. And Mr. Mehra which received is x. Both are similar. So we can say that this is equal of 1 orange which the servant pays. So 15 is the total paid by y is the total number of oranges. It is paid by the servant. cost of oranges, one orange is 15 by y plus 25 paise each. To find the total money received, means the total money paid to the servant for the oranges are 15 by y plus 25 by 100. This is of 1, and x is the total number of received by Mr. Mara. So number of oranges into the rate is equals to rupees 15. Because by taking increased value of 25 paise, the total money paid is going to be rupees 15. Servant was profited with 3 oranges because he has treated Mr. Mehra, and taken 25 by 100 paise into x as advantage, means as extra paise, and equalized it to base 15, so that Mr. Mehra does not get suspected on him. You do not need to do this type of investigation, but from this the question will get more interesting. So you can apply it like this. Now solve it. This will get cancelled by 1 by 4. Now we have x 15 by y plus 3. Because since x is equals to y minus 3, y is equals to x plus 3. I'm sending this to the side, so that's why it is x plus 3. So now you have x by 4 is equals to 15. Now I am solving it here. You will get to, sorry, here now it will be 1 only. Now with the change you will get 15x by x plus 3 plus x by 4 is equals to 15. Now take the LCM, you will get to 4x plus 12. From this we will get 60x plus x square plus 3x is equals to 15. Now do cross multiplication, you will get here 63x x square plus is equals to 60x plus 180. So now send to this side, you will get x square plus 60 minus you will get 3x plus minus 180. Since here 180 is the multiplication product of 15 into 12, so this can be the midterm split of 3. You will get 15x minus 12x minus 180 is equals to 0. Here x plus 15 minus 12x plus 15 is equals to 0. Here x plus 15 and x minus 12 is equals to 0. So ultimate answer is x is equals to 12. This which is received by Mr. Mehra is 15, sorry, is 12, and the number of oranges that is by is 15. X is 12. 12 is equals to y minus 3. So y will be equals to 12 plus 2, that is 15. Means the servant buys 15 oranges and eats 3 and gives 12 to Mr. Mehra. So ultimate answer is 12 oranges. Then will be homework 8. Here weekly wage is let to be x and the bill is 3150 and the increased bill is 3250 rupees. And increase in weekly wage of each worker is x plus 5. So number of workers, so total bill by number by weekly wage of each is x. So the number of workers will get find here, and here we have to do the same also here. x plus 5. And if we employ 5 workers less, the work will be done. So the number of workers is of difference by 5. So which one is greater, you have to think. This is denominator is smaller, means the worker will be greater. 3150 by x, and here this denominator is greater, so the worker will be less. So 3250 by x plus 5. So subtract it. Many get confused. They see like that x plus 5 is greater and this is also greater, so this will be greater at all and this will be smaller. But no, this is the thing, you have to look that denominator is greater or smaller. Now take the LCM, you will get x square plus 5x and on above you will have 3150x minus 15750 minus 3250 x is equals to 5. Now I'm solving it here. You will get minus 100 minus 1, here will be x minus 15750 is equals to 5x square plus 25x. Send this to this side, you will get, or this to this side, you will get 5x square plus 25x minus, sorry, plus 100 x plus 15750 equals to 0. Divide by 5, each has common 5, so x square plus 5x plus 20x, this will ultimately become 25x plus divided by 5, so you will get 3150 equals to 0. Now do the midterm split, x minus 45x plus 3150 is equals to 0. Now here x plus 70 minus 45 x plus 70 is equals to 0. Now the two factors are x plus 70 and x minus 45. So ultimately answer will be x equals to 45 as positive. So the weekly wage of each is 45. Your sales correctly. In question number 9, here there are few articles. The articles meaning is few products, you can say. Here the meaning of articles is, you can say that articles are the few products or commodities which are bought or sold from one state to another. So articles are x, we are dating it as x. Cost is 1200 means 1200, and so cost of each you will get 1200 divided by x. But after that, few articles are destroyed. Here 10 articles are destroyed, so the new articles are x minus 10. So cost of each according to the seller, you have 1200. So friends, not the cost, actually selling price of each. You will get by x plus 2 because it is said as increased by 2. So that of total you have to find is the number of articles into rate, that is 1200 by x plus 2. It is said in the question that the dealer or trader earns a profit of ₹60. So it says that this is greater than that of total cost, because selling price is greater, then only it will be a profit. So we have x minus 10 into 1200 by x plus 2 minus 1200, that is cost price, equals to rupees 60 means the profit of rupees 60. Yeah, it is there. So now multiply this. You will get 1200 x by x. Then minus 10 into this, you will get minus 12000 by x. Then x into this, you will get plus 2x. Then minus 20 minus 1200 equals to 60. All this will get cancelled. We have 1200 minus 12000 that is x plus 2x minus 20 minus 1200 equals to 60. So friends, now the variables one side and the constants one side. So minus 1200 by x plus 2x only this side, and the rest all will be that side is equals to 60 minus 1200 plus 20 plus 120. The sign will be reversed. Minus plus minus plus plus minus, and this is only plus. So now you have minus 1200 plus 120 get cancelled. Only 60 plus 20, that is 80. Now here take the LCM. And adjust it so that it becomes positive. 2x minus 12000 by x. Now taking whole x will get squared. This will send it here, so it will become x. So 2x square minus 12000 is equals to 80x. I've taken a bit shortcut here. You may get confused, so see it thoroughly. Divide by 2 and send this to here. We're dividing it by 2 because this is 2 is common, and on reducing the process becomes easier. Now doing the midterm split, you will get minus 100x plus 60x minus 6000 equals to 0. So here x minus 100 plus 60 x minus 100 equals to 0. So now x minus 100 and x plus 60 equals to 0. So your answer is in positive, that is 100. So there are total articles that are 100 here. Friends, question number 10 is homework, but the answer will be in the description box.
Thank you. Please share this video to one topper, one average, and one backbencher at least. So it must help every student, and please comment the name of each type of student in your class or section. Thank you.